KwikTic's powerful and intuitive work instructions are created in the Product Manager. They can be used to mimic any legacy process and be used to create powerful new processes. Work instructions consist of steps. Each step contains various types of information. The first step for this work instruction is a process warning step. We alert the operator to special process requirements with pictures and rich text formatting. The second step is an inspection step for known defects from previous builds. References can be linked to a work instruction step, which means they will be highlighted on the view when the step is opened. We link 3 references to this step by pasting them in the Link References window and pressing Link. Another way to link references to a step is to select them from the board view. This is how we add them to the third step. We also add media to the third step, an image used to help the operator correctly orient parts. On the fourth step, we ask the operator to place a part that may have had particular issues in previous builds. We link the reference and then add media to assist the operator in correct orientation and installation. The fifth step is a similar type of step, alerting the operator to a specific method of installation needed for a specific part. Here we include an orientation photo and a video on how to correctly install the part. For the last step, we want the operator to confirm the temperature of the soldering iron they have been using. If we add a tag to a step, we can ask the operator to input data to a work instruction. It can be validated against an expected value, required or not required, and simply stored for later validation purposes. After saving the work instruction, we must set it to issued so the floor has access to it.
Now, let's take a look at how our finished work instruction will appear to the end user.
We can resize the windows in the work instruction to however we like. Moving through the steps, we can review any linked parts to the steps. We can also review attached media. All views are available to the operator, as well as the BOM window, which can be searched for any part on the board by part number, description, or reference. Work instructions are a powerful tool to create robust build processes, regardless of your product type.